The next few slides talk about course design. And I want to be upfront in saying that there are hundreds, probably thousands of ways that you could design your class. That being said, that means there's no one right way to design a class. As you get surfing on the web, which I hope you will, and you start investigating different models for how people design their classes, you'll also find that there's a whole bunch of research and best practices and different courses you can take a peek at to see how they've set their classes up. Some people only use their course management systems, so Canvas or Blackboard. Other folks choose to, house their entire class in a blog. I mean, there's a vast variety of course design samples out there. So first and foremost, I want you to be thinking about the fact that there is no one right way. Second, I want you to realize that you need to choose something you feel comfortable with. I'll give an example. Just within Canvas, you could set up a system where your students navigate everything through modules, or you could set up a system where they navigate everything through pages. That's just two ways in Canvas that you might design the navigation of your course. I've done both. I sort of prefer modules. I go back and forth between the two, and it depends on the class I'm teaching. It depends on the students that I have. It depends on the mode that I'm teaching in. So just be very flexible. Provide yourself with the space to, mess up or design something and hope that it works and recognize that sometimes it won't. That happens in a face-to-face class. As long as you can be flexible as an online instructor with your course design, then you'll be a whole lot more satisfied. So as you go through these next few slides, please also recognize that this is not an exhaustive list. This is really meant to be a jumping off point, touching on a few elements that you will really want to consider as you design your class. And I strongly encourage you to be looking elsewhere outside of this presentation for more information and more tips on course design. But I hope that these few slides at least will give you an indication of where you can start and what you can begin thinking about as you design your class. Good luck. It's going to look great.